If you want to transform your home into something new and stylish for 2023, I got you. In this video, we will uncover 5 best interior design trends for 2023 that will inspire you to spruce up your home and make it look stylish and well-designed for the year ahead. I'm On, by the way. Thank you so much for stopping by. Make sure to subscribe and hit that like button so we can start right away. The first one is Danish Pastel. The Danish Pastel started getting popular in 2022 and it will be even more popular in 2023. It is basically a combination of the minimalistic Scandinavian style with a twist of a playful pastel palette. This style is known for its colors and it is probably the most aesthetically pleasing style I've ever seen. This style is for everyone that loves the bright colors and colorful spaces overall while keeping it well-designed and clutter-free. And nailing the Danish Pastel into your home is actually easier than you think. First, try including elements such as curvy decor, starting from irregular mirrors to some organic-shaped furniture. Also, swirly candles are a signature piece in this style, alongside some glass mushroom-shaped lamps. Also, fluffy checkered rugs in muted colors with simplistic furniture that doesn't clutter the space. You can also do it by swapping up your wall art with a twist of pastel color palette. I will make sure to link some of my favorite Danish pastel posters into the description box. A perfect example of this style is a fellow YouTuber of mine, Letitia. Her living room and her whole design game has elements of the Danish pastel and honestly, it looks amazing. I will leave a link to her Instagram profile and her YouTube channel into the description box. Next one is the 70s modern. The 70s interior design style made a huge comeback in 2022 and it is here to stay for a long time, but with a new modern twist that I like to call the 70s modern. This means switching out the bright orange tones for a more muted and neutral palette and making it more minimalistic and more sustainable overall. As much as I love the 70s, the truth is they had some questionable choices such as plasticky furniture and using plastic in general for decorating and furnishing. So the 70s modern, or the 70s now, is a more sustainable, more minimalistic way of including this aesthetic in a meaningful and a calmer way. So lots of browns, lots of warm tones, clean spaces with natural and raw materials like wood and exposed concrete. But how can you include this style into your space for 2023? Well, you can do that by thrifting. As thrifting becomes more and more popular, try reusing old furniture or incorporate retro-inspired furniture into your home, maybe even some fluffy checkered rug or a velvet armchair. If you like this style, you can also include some chrome as a base metal color instead of brass, gold or black. Also some retro posters, which I will make sure to link down below. A perfect example for this style is Becky's new house from the Sorry Girls. I just love the Sorry Girls. And shout out to Becky's new series called That 70s House. I will make sure to leave a link into the description box of her new series as well as her Instagram profile. Postmodern is another style that is and will be popular in 2023. This style celebrates the unconventional and the weird. Postmodern is created by the idea that design doesn't need to follow rules. Instead, it mismatches elements, breaking the rules, and just strays from formality in general. From handmade items, bold patterns, outside-the-box approaches to furniture and decor, you name it. You can also include this style by using bolder colors such as bright green, red, yellow, and just anything that's not muted. If you want to achieve this style, you can also do it by simply adding one weird looking piece of furniture that's asymmetrical and just future-like. Think about pieces like this when you are picking out decor too. Another style that's still in the books for 2023 is minimalism. However, with a new, softer touch called warm minimalism. As Japandi and Wabi Sabi took over 2022, minimalism started becoming warmer and calmer. A warm, minimalist living space makes the most out of natural materials that add warmth, interest, and character into the space, incorporating personal touches and soft, organic shapes that add a welcoming aspect that you don't typically get with a minimalist interior. This means that instead of the stark white interiors, we're seeing more warm neutrals, beiges, and monochromatic muted palettes in both the furniture and decor. Also using lots of woods and other natural materials such as stone, rattan, cane, and marble. What you should do when it comes to the warm minimalism is stay away from plastics, vinyls, and other such materials and turn onto ceramics, wood, and rustic textures. In other words, making the minimalism feel softer and more welcoming. I always like to say that minimalism is the cheapest style to nail. You just need to declutter. That's it. And another style that is big and still will be in 2023, the biophilic design. Biophilic interior design means incorporating nature into our indoor environment. This means going bold on bringing nature closer to us by implementing vegetation, natural light, and materials providing a positive impact on our everyday life, meaning lots of trees, plants, and greenery wherever you can add it. You can even go beyond greenery and include some indoor fountain that will replicate the sound of water throughout your home space. Also, getting as much as possible natural materials such as bamboo, cork, sustainable timber, stone, and rattan into your home. These materials can be implemented through the furniture, home decor, kitchen worktops, and floors. When it comes to the color palette, think about lots of browns, greens, blues, and almost anything that feels earthy and outdoorsy. This is a great style for almost anyone. At the end of the day, we spend almost 90% of our lives indoors, which is just mind-blowing and honestly a bit sad. So by incorporating a feeling of bringing nature inside our spaces, we will definitely feel calmer and happier while improving our design game at the same time. And that wraps it up for today. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope I inspired you at least a little bit to just think about tackling some spaces in your home and just sprucing up your design game in general. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe to the channel. It really helps my small channel a lot and it helps you to never miss another one of my videos again. Also, let me know in the comment section below which style was your favorite. Mine was obviously the warm minimalism. However, I really like the Danish pastel, and I even plan on including some aspects of it into my office, which will be an upcoming makeover, so make sure to stay tuned for that. And again, thank you so much for watching, and as always, see you designers next week. Bye!